wanted to know that all of us here, I know, are clamoring for you to be the president to announce, but I would like to have the job of convincing your wives to please allow you to be president. I need someone that's good. And all that vice that you said, most Filipinos have that. So don't worry about the one vice that you have. So we want you to be president. Please, sir.
Alam mo na, sa totoo lang, if I may just, you will allow me, hindi ko na talaga panahon. And I would just cite the Bible, Ecclesiastes 3. There's a time for everything. To be great and to be small. Time for plenty and a time for want. A time for sorrow and a time for joy. Live time to die. Ako, yung opportunity to be president is a window that's very, very small.